In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Meeting code. If you've ever needed to invite someone to a Google Meet quickly or join from another device, the key you're looking for is the meeting code. I'll walk you through where it appears in the interface and a couple of reliable places you can copy it from. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Meet homepage. You can also get there from any Google app menu. The important part is that you're on the main Meet landing page and signed in to your Google account. If your browser asks for camera or microphone permissions, you can allow or skip for now. Permissions don't affect seeing the code. On the landing page, select New Meeting. A small menu appears with several options. Choose Start an Instant Meeting. This creates a meeting room right away so you can see the code without scheduling anything. Once the meeting opens, look down near the bottom left of the window, close to the current time. You'll see the meeting ID displayed there. It's a short string of letters, usually separated by dashes. That exact text is the code you share with others or use to join from another device. Another easy place to find it is in the Details panel. Click the Meeting Details icon. On desktop, it looks like a small info symbol. A sidebar or card opens with the full joining information. You'll see the clickable link to the meeting, and right there, you'll also see the meeting code. Use the Copy button in this panel to avoid typos when sharing. You can also confirm the code by looking at your browser's address bar. In the URL, right after meet.google.com/comma, you'll see the same sequence of letters that make up your meeting code. That's handy if you've already got the link and just need the code portion. A few quick tips. The meeting code and the meeting link are two ways of sharing the same thing. Send whichever is easiest for your guests. If you're using a work or school account, access might be limited to people in your organization unless you change the host controls. And if someone else invited you, ask them for the code or the link. You don't need to create a new meeting. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find the Google Meet code every time.